The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to make a dua. Allahumma habbib ilayna al-iman. Oh Allah, beautify for me Iman, make it loved for me, endear it to me. What is Iman? My faith, my belief, my conviction in you, oh Allah. Make it beautified. Habbib ilayna al-iman, to us. وَزَيِّنْهُ فِي قُلُوبِنَا, and beautify it in our hearts. Let the Iman be beautiful in our hearts. The diseases of today are all connected to the heart. Dirty, unclean heart, your entire life is struggling as a result, but you don't know. You got your motor vehicle. You ask the mechanic, my car is jerking. What will he tell you? He said, the fuel, probably your fuel filter, and so on and so on. If that filter is not correct, and you have not filtered out the dirt and whatever else it may be, no matter what vehicle you have, your car is not going to operate. Because the filter is the problem. You must filter out your heart is your filter. Filter out what needs to be filtered out, the dirt, the dust, the desires, the lusts that will displease Allah need to come out of that. That is a lifelong challenge. It's not just one day, I have a clean heart, mashallah, and you walk out. How old are you? 30, 40. Subhanallah. You say you have a clean heart, you're happy and you're walking out. That heart is going to be attacked with dirt and dust every day by shaitan. Cleaning your heart is a lifelong process. Even close to your deathbed, you are going to have to continue cleaning your heart. Shaitan attacks you every single day. If you don't know how shaitan attacked you today, you are going to need help to find out how he came to you. Don't think I'm pious, I do my salah, and I'm a good person and that's it. And there's no need for me to worry. Shaitan, now he's tired of me, he's not going to come. No way. You're not a prophet of Allah. If Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu used to be concerned whether he was a hypocrite or not, he used to be bothered about hypocrisy, to say, I pray that I'm not from amongst them. Who's you and I? We are nobodies. There's no even chance our names can even be mentioned close to those names. And we are satisfied. Ala wa inna fil jasadi mudghah. Idha salahat salaha al jasadu kulluhu. Wa idha fasadat fasada al jasadu kulluhu. Ala wa hiya al qalbu. I'm sure we've heard this hadith many times. Behold, in the body there is a piece of flesh. If it is pure and good, the whole body will be pure and good. It's your filter. If it is dirty and filthy, the whole body will be dirty and filthy. Everything is gone, your mind is gone, your practice is gone, your deeds are gone, everything is gone, because that filter is messed completely. What is it? Ala wa hiya al-qalbu, behold, it is the heart. Cleanse the heart. Ask Allah for guidance and then walk towards it as best as you can.